It's the musical competition where dreams are made or broken.
How big is this whole band slam thing around here?
The winner gets an actual record deal.
Keep it hot like steam, that's your dream, baby.
What's your name?
Will Burton. What's yours?
The 5 is silent.
Anyone can enter,
I'm starting a band.
Sweet.
but not everyone should.
He's a paper boy. You know he's crunk. He likes the girls that got the junk.
It's embarrassing.
You gotta be cool, you got to behave.
It seems like you're trying way too hard to be Flea from the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
I don't even like Flea.
Yeah, what's your name? Bug?
And I will be.
All the odds are against them.
You guys are going up against Glory Dogs.
This is crazy. Holla.
All they need is each other.
What are the early warning signs of a heart attack?
You gotta go for it. Do the thing that scares you.
Ali Mishalka, Vanessa Hudgens, Galen Cannell, and Lisa Kudrow.
You like her.
Shut up.
You kissed her yet?
I wouldn't even know what to do.
Start by gently moving a strand of hair from her face. Nice.
Band Slam.